myself Anurag Sairao Ingole. I am from class 8B from Dimbai Vidyalaya Digras district Yotmar, and my model name is Space Debris Cleaner. So what is meant by space debris? So a broken part of satellites and rockets as well as their fragments after their disintegrations and collisions which revolves around the earth at the high speed is known as space debris. And space debris is also known as space junk, space trash, space pollution and space garbage. Then where does this space debris found? It is found in low Earth orbit and geostationary Earth orbit. Then what is meant by space station? International Space Station is a large spacecraft and it is also a home for scientists and astronauts which collects information during their space missions of the whole space. Then what are the problems related to this space debris in real life? This space debris causes damaging of space station, rockets and satellites. Then for cleaning this space debris I have made this model. Means the main motto of this space debris cleaning rocket is to prevent the damaging of space station, rockets and satellites. Then how does this space debris cleaning rocket works? So this is space debris cleaning rocket in small size and here is in big size. This is space debris cleaning rocket which divides into three parts. First, this space debris cleaning rocket revolves around the earth and sucks this space debris like a vacuum cleaner. We know that the function of vacuum cleaner is to suck the waste materials automatically. Here the first section here is propeller, DC motor, and for giving the energy to DC motor I have used 9-volt battery. So like this the propeller rotates and collects the space debris like say vacuum cleaner. Then this is the first part. Then this collected space debris goes into the furnace to melt because space debris is made up of metals, therefore it melts at high boiling point. Here is second section, here is the furnace and if we provide large amount of heat it's melt. Here is lighter for providing heat. And after providing the heat it gets melt and changes into liquid state, and after melting it gets into the third section which is of mold section. In this mold this space debris gets condensed, and after condensing it gets a specific shape of this International Space Station, and after getting specific shape the module gets attached to these International Space Stations, and therefore International Space Station becomes more bigger and bigger, and many scientists can live in this International Space Station to explore whole the space. Then what are the advantages of this model? So if we implement this model in real life, the space debris which revolves get cleaned and damaging of this, all of this gets prevented. And here is 3D hologram. 3D hologram is only the 3D hologram is only medium for showing this earth and space debris in 3D. Like I show you the 3D hologram. Here in this glass the earth and the space debris shows 3D, and this is the main purpose of this 3D hologram. Then here are my charts about my model, my school name, my model name and introduction, what is space debris, and here is what is space stations, my model and advantages. So this is my whole model, and if implemented this model in real life, this is very advantageous.